These are the elevators at the Holiday Inn and Suite in Bloomington, Minnesota. It looks like it's a very rare fixture. This is very cool. I think it's going to be this one because it smells like this one is coming. And here we are. We're gonna go to 6. Door close button does not work. Wow, this is a nice elevator. I love these fixtures. Very dim, but you can barely see it. There's a little bit. Door close button doesn't work. Going down. Okay. ADA component. Very nice elevator, very cool. Love the buttons. Loads of lights, and ThyssenKrupp and a 2,500 pound capacity. Interior. That's it.